Welcome to VAK's lecture. In this video, we will discuss about generations of computer programming languages. This video is part 1. In this, we are going to discuss about low-level programming languages. Before going to discuss about this, we have to know what is computer program and what is computer programming language. So, let us start. Already we know that computer is a programmable electronic device that works basing on three terminologies: input, process and output. Basing on these terminologies, whatever task we have to solve by using computers, that task is called as a program. So we can say that computer program is a collection of instructions that can be executed by a computer to perform specific task. A computer program is usually written by the computer programmer by using a programming language. Then, what is a computer programming language? A computer programming language is specially designed to express computations that can be performed by using computer. We know that we have so many human understandable languages like Hindi, English, Spanish, French, etc. Likewise, in programs also we have languages. Suppose take English language only. How we are constructing or framing the sentences? We know that sentences are combination of words. For framing the sentences, we have to follow some rules like noun, pronoun, verb, etc. By using all these, we can frame the meaningful sentences. Similarly, in programming languages also, we have symbols, characters, and rules. Here, these rules are called as syntax. Syntax represents what are the rules we have to follow while developing the program. There are two types of programming languages: low-level programming language and high-level programming language. In this video, we are going to discuss about low-level programming language. Low-level programming language is most understandable by the computer to perform its operations. It can be further categorized into machine-level language and assembly-level languages. Now we will see about these two. Machine-level language was developed and used in first generation. Then, what is machine language? Already we know that computer can understand only the binary digits, zeros and ones. And it is only one language the processor directly understands. That means the computer processor can understand only the combination of zeros and ones. It cannot understand any human readable languages. Machine language has the fast execution speed and efficient use of primary memory. If you want to do any calculation part, for example 4 plus 5, how the computer processor can do this process? First, it converts 4 into its equivalent binary code 100. But internally, every number can be expressed in terms of 8 bits of zeros and ones combination. Here we got the 100, that is 3 bits. So for the remaining 5 bits, 5 zeros can be appended at the left side of 100. And similarly, it converts 5 into its binary code 101 and then do the addition process, and then it displays the result of 9 in its binary code 1001. Here also, remaining 4 zeros can be appended at the left side of 1001. In this way, the computer processor will do the process. For this example only, in memory, first it will take binary code for the operator plus. For any operator, it will allocate 4 bits of memory. And then it allocates 8 bits of memory for 4. And then it allocates 8 bits of memory for 5. In this way, the memory can be allocated. Now we will see some of the advantages. It runs the data fast and efficiently. Why? Because the data or the information or any program, whatever it may be, that is in the form of binary combination, so that it can understand very easily and can perform that data fast and efficiently. There is no need of translator. Whenever data is in binary format, simply computer can understand directly. Not even a single word we have to remember. Each and every word is in binary format, so that there is no need of translator. Now we will see some of the disadvantages. It is difficult to write a program using machine language. Since all the instructions are to be represented by zeros and ones, it is difficult to understand, modify, debug, and correcting the errors. So we can say that it is not user-friendly language because user cannot understand. Assembly language. Assembly language is also known as low-level language because to design a program, the programmer requires detailed knowledge of hardware specifications. This assembly language was developed and used in second generation. This language uses mnemonic codes in place of zeros and ones. For addition operation, we use add. For subtraction operation, we use sub. For example, 4 plus 5. How to write this in second generation? Add 4 comma 5. Instead of plus, we use add. This add is mnemonic code. The program is converted into machine code by using translator. This translator is called as assembler. And this assembler is used to convert the mnemonic code into binary combination of zeros and ones, which is understandable by the system easily. Now we will see some of the advantages. It needs less instructions to get the result. Obviously, it requires less memory and execution time is also less. It works on complex data. It makes programming easier and the process is faster than the first generation language. Errors can be identified much easily and easy to debug than the machine language. So these are the advantages. Now we will see some of the disadvantages. It is machine dependent, means it works with the help of microprocessor only. Programs written in this language is not directly understood by the computer, so translators should be used. Machine language and assembly language are very close to hardware of the system. That's why these are low-level languages. So this is about low-level languages. In our next video, we will discuss about high-level programming languages. If you got to learn anything from this video, please like the video, share to your friends and subscribe my channel. Also hit the bell icon for more new updates. Thank you.